job, and we help to manage all of your workflows. We were really excited about bringing managed agents into Notion because Claude is really good at complex, long-running tasks. If you were to roll it up yourself, it's like a mega brain engineering effort. You need like a PhD in all of this to make it work. And so the managed agent product was great because it makes it really plug and play. To bring in Claude, it runs the sessions in the cloud. We just pull in the API and it works. For our customers, what that means is that they can kick off a ton of jobs in Notion.
I'd love to show a use case of how we use managed agents
to build agent orchestration in Notion. So this example is something that a lot of our non-technical users do, which is they'll onboard clients. Let's take a fictitious client called Harbor and Pine. They are a lifestyle brand, and now here are all the action items. We have within Notion a custom agent, and we've basically given it all of the client databases and task boards, so it has the full context to onboard, and it helps us in the onboarding workflows for clients. Behind the scenes, this agent has Claude as well. It is pulling in all the context within Notion to go and generate this. And so what I want to do is call upon the client onboarding manager and then take these.
Asana build AI teammates on managed agents. I guess I don't know. I don't understand it still, but let's go ahead and just read through this real quick. Vibe Code app. Developers can now spin up agent infrastructure at least 10x faster with managed agents. Let's see what they have to say about it. I mean, I think going to the source is the best way. So today we're launching Managed Agents, a suite of composable APIs for building and deploying cloud-hosted agents at scale. Up until now, building the agents meant spending development cycles on secure infrastructure, state management, permissioning, and reworking your agent loops for every model upgrade. Managed Agents pairs an agent harness tuned for performance with production infrastructure to go from prototype to launch in days rather than months. Whether you're building single task runners or complex multi-agent pipelines, you can focus on the user experience, not the operational overhead. Managed Agents is available today in public beta on Claude platform. Build and deploy agents 10x faster. Shipping to production agent requires sandbox code execution, checkpointing, credential management, scoped permissions, and end-to-end tracing. That's months of infrastructure work for you to ship anything users see. Managed Agents handles the complexity. You define your agent's tasks, tools, and guardrails. We run it on our infrastructure. A built-in orchestration harness decides when to call tools, how to manage context, and how to recover from errors. Damn. That's whack. That's whack. That is whack. Refresh. Let's try it again. Already seen it. Managed agents include production-grade agents with secure sandboxing, authentication, and tool execution handled for you. Long-running sessions that operate autonomously for hours with progress and outputs. Multi-agent coordination so agents can spin up and direct other agents to parallelize complex work. Available in research preview. Request access here. Well, that's pretty cool. Can I get that? Trusted governance. Giving agents access to real systems with scope permissions, identity management, and execution tracing built in. Designed to make the most of Claude. Claude models are built for agentic work. Managed Agents is purpose-built for Claude, enabling you to get better agent outcomes with less effort. With Managed Agents, you define outcomes and success criteria, and Claude self-evaluates and iterates until it gets there. Available in research preview. You define outcomes and success criteria. So what is this? Why is this one only available in research preview is my question. It also supports traditional prompt and response workflows. when you want tighter control. And internal testing around structured file generation, managed agents improved outcome task success by up to 10 points over a standard prompting loop. Teams are already spending up 10x faster with managed agents across a range of production